Hi everyone, welcome to the Muse Nail Art channel. Today I'm going to show you a complete set of essential nail tools and give you a step-by-step guide to basic nail care you can do at home. Whether you're a beginner or already have some experience, this video will help you feel more confident in taking care of your nails. Let's get started. To do your nails at home, you'll need a basic set of tools. Let me introduce each item one by one. Electric nail drill. An electric nail drill plays an important role in nail care and nail services. It can be used to clean nail side walls, remove dead skin, buff the nail surface, and support various techniques such as acrylic and gel application, nail removal, and smoothing the nails after enhancements. Nail clipper. Used to trim your nails neatly and shape them the way you like. When choosing a nail clipper, you should pay attention to the material, sharpness of the blade, size, design, and brand to ensure safety, effectiveness, and durability. Nail file. Helps shape and smooth the edges of your nails. There are different types of files. I recommend emery board files. Hand softening cream. Provides moisture and quickly softens dead skin and excess cuticles around the nails, making the cuticle trimming process easier, reducing wait time, and minimizing the risk of skin cuts. Cuticle pusher. Used to gently push back the excess skin around your nails for a cleaner look. Nail art brushes. Great for drawing patterns or applying gel polish precisely. Base coat. Protects your natural nails and helps the color polish adhere better. This is the fun part. There are many nail polish brands around the world. Pick any color you love. Top coat. Adds shine and helps your polish last longer. UV LED lamp. Essential for gel polish, it helps cure and dry the polish quickly. Acetone. Used to remove old polish or clean the nail surface before painting. Lint-free wipes. Useful for cleaning or fixing any polish mistakes. Cuticle oil. Keeps your nails and surrounding skin healthy and moisturized. Now I'm going to guide you through 12 steps to do your nails at home and get a cute, polished look. Step 1. Cut nails. Trim the length of the nails, measure the length between the fingers to ensure they are cut evenly. Step 2. Shaping nails. Depending on the customer's preference, file the nails into the desired form. Step 3. Cuticle buffing. Next step is cuticle buffing, which involves pushing back the dead skin around the nail bed. Be gentle during this step to avoid denting the client's nails. Step 4. Soften the skin. You need to soften the skin of the customer's hands to prepare for cutting the skin. Step 5. Cuticle pusher. Since we used the machine earlier, now we just need to push the skin gently. Step 6. Cut the cuticles. Make sure the cuticle nippers are properly sterilized and sharp so that cutting is clean and doesn't hurt the client. Step 7. E-file. Next is e-file. Our nails naturally have an oily layer. This step removes that oil so that when the polish is applied, it adheres better and lasts longer. Step 8. Base coat. We apply a base coat. This bonding layer is crucial as it affects all the subsequent polish layers. Be careful not to let it flood the nail edges. Step 9. Color design. For the base, I used a yellow jelly polish and a milky white polish for a soft and elegant look. Next, I use the French tip technique with white polish to add a highlight to the nails. When doing the French tip technique, use a fine detail brush to achieve clean and delicate lines. Step 10. Paint nail art. To create the polka dot design, we'll mix cafe brown and chocolate brown polishes to achieve the perfect custom shade for the nail art. Next, use a fine detail brush to paint the apple and flan designs. To paint the apple, simply draw 2 oval shapes and connect them to form the body. Then use brown polish to add the stem and seeds, and the apple is done. Similar to the apple for the flan design, draw 3 circles and connect them to form the base shape. Then use the brown polish we mixed earlier to paint the top of the flan. Draw a small red cherry on top and we're done. Step 11. Top coat. Lastly, apply a top coat to finish off the nail set. Top coat gives nails a glossy, smooth, and polished finish. It helps the manicure last longer by creating a hard, protective barrier over the nail surface. Step 12. Cuticle oil. This oil keeps the skin around the nail from getting dry. And here's the final result. Let's take a look. Section: a few nail tips. Always apply thin coats of polish to avoid clumping. Don't forget to clean your tools after each use to keep things hygienic. If you're just starting out, try lighter polish colors. They're easier to fix if you make a mistake. And finally, be patient. Nail care takes time and practice to get better. So we've gone through the essential nail tools and the basic steps to get started. What do you think? Leave a comment below to share your favorite nail polish color or ask any questions you have. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.